Welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore the structure of harmonica. I'll be walking you through 12-hole chromatic harmonica and the 24-hole tower harmonica, both of which are great instruments for beginners. Let's start with the 12-hole chromatic harmonica, which is one of the most common harmonicas used for playing a variety of songs. This harmonica is divided into 3 octaves: lower octave in holes 1 to 4, middle octave in holes 5 to 8, and higher octave in holes 9 to 12. It also comes with a slider on the side which allows you to access additional notes like sharps and flats. We will be using slider for certain songs, but for now we will focus on the basic notes. Now let's look at the 24-hole tower harmonica, which also has a slider like the 12-hole chromatic, but its structure is a bit different. The lower octave spans holes 1 to 8, the middle octave covers holes 9 to 16, and the higher octave extends from hole 17 to 24. Although the structure is different, the notes remain the same between 12-hole chromatic and 24-hole tower harmonica. This means you can use either harmonica to play the same songs. The slider works in a similar way as well, helping you play additional notes. Whether you are using a 12-hole or 24-hole harmonica, it's important to understand the basic parts. Let's break them down. Cover plates. These are the plates on either side of harmonica, helping guide the air and shaping the sound. Comb. The comb is the central piece with the holes, and it can be made of different materials like plastic, metal, or wood. Reeds. Inside the harmonica, thin reeds vibrate when you blow or draw air, producing sound. Holes. These are where you blow and draw air. The number of holes changes depending on the type of harmonica. Slider. Both 12-hole and 24-hole harmonica have a slider for accessing extra notes like sharps and flats. To recap, the 12-hole chromatic has 3 octaves across its 12-hole and a slider for additional notes. The 24-hole tower harmonica has the same notes but spread across 24 holes with a lower, middle, and higher octave. Understanding the basic parts, covers, comb, reeds, holes, and slider is essential for your harmonica learning. In upcoming videos, we will start practicing some simple exercises to familiarize you with these octaves and notes. Let's get started.